was coming in. A young man lived in St. Elizabeth and has been hearing some weird sounds at his front door, like someone pushing the door to enter. Each time he looked outside, there was nobody there. His dogs are very bad and they sleep in front of his door, so if somebody came to his door, they would have barked and rushed the person. That happened 3 nights straight. One night, he was hungry and went to the kitchen to fry breadfruit to eat. It got a little hot in there, so he opened the back door and went back to the stove. That's when he heard a familiar voice saying, "Away your fry."
Follow Jamaican true stories.
Him frightened and slammed the door shut. He couldn't recall who that voice was, but it was a familiar voice. He wondered if it was his granny who recently passed away, who came to visit him as a duppy, because from that night, he didn't hear it again.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican true stories for more.